All right, we're back here. I got all my beans opened up. I'm gonna just start blending these into this bucket here. Just a lot of people don't believe this will work. We've experimented with sunflowers that you feed your birds. It'll grow. It may not mature right, but we're
This
just
late in the season.
yeah, we're just feeding the deer. One thing I did notice here, though, one of these soup blends here is a holiday mixture. So, you know, right around Thanksgiving time, you're going to be out here for the holiday. Guess what? Here comes Mr. Buck. So, we're just feeding it right.
We're getting the holiday blends just to bring the deer in, right?
Yeah.
Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah, and it's got split peas in it. And we realize we're not going to get half the crop out of the split peas, but they're in there.
Half the crop.
Yeah. So we're just, you know, it's a hot day. We're getting all the smoke down from Canada, which if you look around here, it's just a haze. I think our local weather channel says, oh, you don't need to be out in this heat and that smoke. Guess what, guys? We're out here doing what's right. Having fun. Planting beans.
Grocery shopping.
Uh-huh. We'll get all these in here.
Now, Chucky, are you going to run these through the Greenscape drill? Is that our plan, or are we going to use the extreme blower spreader to spread them and then work them in? What's your thoughts?
We have a tractor out in the field, which you'll see here. It's a Greenscape 600 that we're planting the beans with. You can use this on a product we also make. It's called the extreme blower spreader.
Yeah, we've got one right here I can hand over. Show.
And, yeah, we make this little, the beans will go in here. You've got a gate valve that opens. The beans will fit right through them. And you can load this up. Do just specific areas that you want to do. Kick your blower on. Control where you want to put those. It's a really nice item. Sells for $49.95. Every homeowner needs one. Fertilizer. You want to spot seed in your yard. In the wintertime, you got ice on your driveway. You can put solar salt through this. It's a perfect product that everybody can use. We sell them all over the world. You can find it at Food Plot Pro Shop. Look us up. You'll love the products.
Now, what are those? What are you mixing in there? Kidney beans?
Kidney beans.
Red kidney beans, guys. We did the Great Northern beans. We did navy beans. We did pinto beans. I guess the pinto beans are going in right now. There we go. So now how do you mix those, Chucky? That way the video doesn't get too long, dumping all the batches in.
What I have.
But what are we doing to mix? Like, this is kind of a cool thing. It's a bulb planter, right, that we use?
It's a bulb planter we use. Any standard tool with the drill bit. You put it down in here, and it will mix everything up.
And we do that with sunflowers and sorghum Sudan. We do a bunch of different things. We'll mix that with our little M12 little cordless drill. It's a little trick that a lot of people don't think about.
Like having the blower spreader on a cordless tool. You don't have the gas smoke.
And we can take these and run this blend right through the middle box on the Greenscape 600. Is that what you've seen? I mean, we've done that before. That's the cool thing about it. You know, when you guys look at these beans, look how many different ones are in there. I mean, it's all different kinds of stuff, right? We got stuff that's, and the Greenscape will plant them all. And we'll have a bunch of different videos on our YouTube channel Food Plot Pro Shop, and you guys will be able to check out our progress on this. We've really done a really cool little plot out here. We've got it pre-treated with our plot guard, about 46 pounds or 45 pounds to the acre. That's a little crystal that is a hydrogel. It swells up to 400 times its size and absorbs moisture. But there's Chucky mixing it up again. So we'll be back to you, okay?